I know, it's a Erie, it's kind of like my city, my hometown, my new hometown. So I want to make a different food, what they never have in Erie.
I've been to Indonesia with him in 2012, and it's a completely different culture. Everybody knows everybody. You know, you walk over and you talk to your neighbors every day. They have, the farmers will carry the produce over on motorcycles and baskets, and then that's how you buy your produce, they come to you and then you buy what looks good, and it's completely different.
Ramen is very popular in Japan. When the first thing we traveled to Washington, Seattle. We eat a lot of ramen every day in Seattle. I'm like, oh my gosh, we can make this in Erie. It's like kind of like the same weather. I'm like, start from there.
Ramen was kind of the tipping point for us to really push us in a really positive direction. You know, owning your own business can be really difficult in the first couple of years, and then once you find a really good idea and you see that the community really responds to it, you know, we're so happy to be able to provide that for our customers. And we also love that it's very customizable, so you can just pick and choose whatever it is that you like in your ramen, and then you can go from there.
My favorite one to make, it was the Last Warrior, the one that the roll with the flour. It came this year. I make that in the menu for this year. Fusion, a Mexican little fusion with the Japanese, where cilantro inside and spicy tuna. I have ordered the fish every 2 days. Fresh food from Boston, so make sure like everything is fresh. Erie people I think it's special for me. It remind me back my country, like I know each other. So that's what I love in Erie. People like knowing each other, and then like, you know, you go somewhere like, hey, Juvie. I'm like, yeah, I'm like, hi. So that's what I love in Erie.
I think when you are open to trying new and different foods, you're opening yourself up to different cultures as well. So it's almost like a destination or traveling without ever leaving, you know, your city if you're not able to at this time. And just having different experiences can really broaden even your mindset to think, oh, this is something that other people in other countries have every day.